One of my friend, Hyderabad to Vijayawada, there is a highway is there. In the highway, he started one hotel. He started one hotel. How many items he kept? 40 items he prepared in the menu man. If you go to the hotel, how many items are there? 40 items are there, friends. 40 items are there. 1 month completed. Huge money invested. No, returns are not up to the mark. Second month completed. Returns are not up to the mark. Third month completed. Returns are not up to the mark. 6 months completed. Complete loss. He's started taking the loans from all possibilities to run the show. Then one fine day he met me. Durga Sir, Bhai, can you help me? My position is not good. My business is going down day by day like that. Okay. So I will come. We will sit together. We will discuss like I went there. Just I saw their menu. Are can you please bring your menu like? I saw their menu. By seeing that menu, clear clarity happened just in 5 minutes only. Why those people are not doing well? Why those people are not doing well? Clear clarity. Array 40 items are there. In these 40 items, which items you are doing business too good like? Hey, our hotel is specialized for so item like proudly is telling. Oh, wonderful man, wonderful. Okay, like what is the next best item? So on so. What is the next best item in your hotel? More number of sales are happening. Like I asked. Then I asked the team, Array, can you please provide the last 6 months onwards, item wise, how much money got generated? Can you please keep in the descending order? Highest first, second highest, third highest, like for all these 40 items, can you please provide like? Then they prepared one Excel kind of thing and they took the printout, just 40 items only, right? Printout. Very unfortunate thing. The first 3 items, how many items out of 40? Out of 40, how many items?
3.
Only 3. First 3 items generated 90% of their revenue. First 3 items generated 90% of their revenue. Remaining 37 items generated only 10% of their revenue. Remember that. Only 10% of their revenue. Then, if you don't mind, I will give one suggestion. If you implement, happy success by default will be there, right? I told. Then immediately, okay, what I have to do like, can you please cut all that 37 items? All that 37 items so that you require to concentrate only on these 3 items only. Better to keep the big board. We are specialized in these 3 items. Like, okay. So just try for 6 months. If it's not going to work, okay, as your wish, you can continue like I told. Then automatically, he didn't cut all 37, but almost another 2 or 3 added. So at least 5 or 6 he maintained. Then all the remaining things he cut in. His focus, his energy, his time, his a team energy, his a team time, his team focus only on these 3 or 4 items only. Then believe me, after a few days, he made a call. Arey mama, my business is in full growth. That is the power of priority. Remember this one. Don't do everything. You require to do what matters a lot, which provides high result, which provides more happiness. Such type of activities only you require to do, you require to concentrate.